Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Welcome. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to apply lashes in less than 5 minutes without using tweezers. So if you're interested in this video, please continue to watch, but first go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss anything. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to apply eyelashes without using tweezers. This is gonna be like a little eyelash hack that I learned years ago. I know as a beginner, it is very hard to learn how to do eyelashes. When I first started doing makeup, you know, you couldn't pay me to put eyelashes on, but I wear eyelashes almost every day now. So yeah, here we go. Let's get into this video. Okay, so all you need is some eyelash glue, a pair of lashes, some tweezers, especially if you're a beginner, and a mirror. That's all you need. So my day-to-day life, I don't wear makeup every day. I think I've said this in previous videos, but I don't wear makeup every day. But I do wear eyelashes almost every day. So that's why I'm letting y'all in on my little secret, you know, on my little hack. Because once I put them on, they stay on for like 4 or 5 days. Like, I don't put them on every day either. I sleep in them, I wash my face, I shower, everything in my eyelashes. So I feel like, you know, why not share the wealth? So the eyelash glue that I'm using is the Lash Duo glue. It's a brush-on adhesive. And I'm using the Kiss Lush Lash Extensions in the style Royal Silk. If you've watched my videos, you know these are my favorite lashes to use. But they're my favorite everyday lashes. So these are used. But this is what they look like. And they're just my go-to lashes. So in this video, I'm just gonna try to break down everything that I can about lashes, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so first things first, if you don't know how to use a brush-on adhesive, I think I talked about this in a video before, maybe not, but Kiss does have like a eyeliner and eye glue pen all together. And they have one in like clear and black where you can just, you know, brush the glue on like if you were doing a wing liner or just regular eyeliner. My brush is dried out at the moment, so I couldn't use it. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use my Lash Duo glue. You want to make sure your eyelashes are clean, your face is clean. First of all, starting off, you want to make sure your eyelashes are clean of any, you know, products. Then you want to take your eyelash glue and you're gonna brush it on like you would liquid eyeliner. Okay, then you want to let that sit. So you want your eyelash glue to get tacky. So you want to let it sit till it's almost clear, like it's almost dry. Like right now you can see the little white residue. You want to let that clear. In the meantime, if you are wanting your lashes to last longer than 1 day, I would apply some lash glue to the lash band as well, because I plan on keeping these on for a couple days. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little glue to them. You don't have to add a lot either. And if you get glue on your actual eyelashes, don't worry about it because you're gonna be sticking eyelashes to it, so it's gonna stick regardless. Okay, so when applying eyelashes, you want to start with the shortest end in the inner corner and then go out. If these are some new lashes that you plan on using, go ahead and measure them before you put them on. That way you can cut the excess off. These aren't new lashes. Like I said, these are like my everyday lashes, so they're already molded to my eyes. Now the glue has dried. The glue has also dried on my lash band. It's just a little clear there. We're gonna go ahead and lay these babies on. So what I like to do is start in the middle, and I take the middle of my lash band and push it down. First of all, hold your lashes going up like this. And then I'm gonna try to move closer so you guys can see, but I can also look in the mirror. And then I'm gonna push it down in the middle first. So we're gonna take it up, push down in the middle, then stop. See how it's stuck like that? Okay, I'm gonna take the rest and lay the back down. And then the front. And there we have it. Now I'm gonna take my little Kiss tweezers and I'm gonna push these together just to make sure it's secure. And that's literally how I apply my eyelashes. If you look at the top, they look just like mine. You know, they look real, just like mine. So that's how I apply my lashes. If you hear some whining in the background, that's my dog. She wanna leave out the room, but she'll be okay. And that's how I apply my lashes. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the second eye. If you are not comfortable with applying lashes with your fingers, I would advise getting some small tweezers that you can feel comfortable with, you know, pushing it down. And then you can also take the tweezers to pinch them together. I've been wearing eyelashes for a couple years now, so I'm comfortable with doing them with my hands, but I do realize not everybody is. So if you want me to do a tutorial using the tweezers, just let me know. I don't mind doing that either. Like I said, you would just take the tweezers the same as you would with your finger, and the tweezers will take place of your finger, and you'd apply it the exact same way. Now if you get a case where you feel like your lashes are too far over, I would just slant my eye like this and just slightly pull them to where I want them to be at, and then, you know, of course, just make sure they're still down. And that is it, guys. That is how I apply my eyelashes. See? Short, sweet, easy, to the point. This is how I apply my lashes in 5 minutes or less. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if it was easy. Give me a red heart. Share this video. Why? Because sharing is caring, and we're a happy bunch over here. If you like the vibe, go ahead and join the tribe. Hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them.